Welcome to OFAR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble this Besta TV bench from IKEA. This tutorial applies to the Besta TV bench with the measurements of 120 centimeters by 40 centimeters by 64 centimeters. As with the other sizes, the steps are a bit different. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a level, and an Allen key that IKEA gives you. As you can see, I don't have a level, but when we get to those steps, I'll explain what you need to do. Also, if you want to speed up the assembly process, you can use a drill with a Phillips or posi-drive bit. So the first step is to grab these two panels and put them into this orientation. Also grab 6 of these adjustable feet. Then screw in the 6 adjustable feet into these 6 holes by hand. Now flip this panel over like this. Next, grab 12 of these screws and screw them into these 12 holes. Now grab these two side panels and put them into this orientation. Then attach them as shown. Then grab 4 smaller sized cam lock nuts and secure them into these 4 holes. Next, grab this middle panel and put it into this orientation. Just make sure the wider space between the holes are in this position. Also grab this metal brace and 2 of these screws and secure everything together like this. Now attach the middle panel like this. Then grab two of the longer cam lock nuts and secure them into these two holes. Now grab the backing and put them into this orientation, then slide them in as shown. Then attach this panel like this. Now I turn the TV bench so you can get a better viewing angle. Then grab four of the smaller size cam lock nuts and secure them into these four holes. Next, grab two longer cam lock nuts and secure them into these two holes. Now flip the TV bench like this. Then grab these two plastic strips and slide in each strip like this. Just make sure everything is flush. Now grab this piece and slide it in as shown. Again, make sure everything is flush. Next, grab 2 of these plastic covers and 4 of these screws. Then secure this plastic cover here with 2 screws. As for the other one, it'll be secured into this spot with 2 screws. Now put the TV bench onto its feet. Next, if you have any cables, run them through like this. After running all the cables, grab this piece and snap it into place as shown. Then place the TV bench against your intended wall. Now grab this Allen key and place a level on top of your TV bench. Use the Allen key to adjust the height of the adjustable feet if your TV bench isn't level. You will only be adjusting these 4 feet. As for the middle 2, you'll need to lift the TV bench up and adjust them using your hand. Now if you want to secure the TV bench to the wall, grab this metal clip and plastic cover. Unfortunately, IKEA doesn't give you a screw and wall anchor to secure the TV bench to the wall, so you'll have to buy your own. I've done these next steps already in another video, so I'll leave a link with a timestamp in the description below if you want to check it out. So the last step for the TV bench frame is that you'll need to grab 8 left shelf pins, 8 right shelf pins, and 16 of these screws. Now this TV bench comes in many customizations, so not all shelves will be compatible with these shelf pins. If they are, you grab the left shelf pin and you can secure it with 1 screw like this. Secure the other left shelf pin on the same level, and you can obviously pick any level you want. Then do the same thing with the other 2 right shelf pins. And now, you repeat the same steps for the rest of the shelf pins. So you now have a fully assembled Besta TV bench from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.